Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Friends, today I will show you how to cancel JD Gym. So guys, go to this URL forum cancellation form, as you can see here, and scroll down. You find type here of and click on cancellation, select cancellation, and why you are thinking to leave. Write your reason, guys, for example medical reason, or I don't like the gym, or student, or other. For example, this one, other. And you can write in your submission, give you details possible, guys, as you can see here. Write your all details. From here, guys, select home gym and type home gym and write your membership number, guys. Make sure write your membership, for example, this my membership number. Write your email address and write your phone number. For example, this phone number, guys. Write your phone number, guys. After that, write your postal code, for example, this postal code. And if you have any attachment, guys, you can upload it in your computer. Click I can send processing of my personal and write submit your form. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. And don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. All you have to do, submit this form to cancel your subscription.